Wait, what? So supposedly, if I take this Baja Blast right here, I can turn this into a Baja Blast Pie. Taco Bell came out with that. Well, when I went earlier, they didn't have any. But they had the Baja Blast. So now you know what we gotta do. Well, we gotta make it at home. Give it a try. Let's get it done. So to start it off, I have 8 ounces of softened original cream cheese. Drop that in there, stir it around until it's nice and smooth. All right, now that we have that all beaten and smooth, at least I hope so, now we add our other ingredients. First, we start off with 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Put that in there. Next, 1 teaspoon of lime zest. Next, 2 ounces of lime juice. Yes, I made it fresh myself. And there. Next, half a cup of the Baja Blast. Pour that in there. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. They say it tastes like key lime pie. I don't like key lime pie. But we're gonna see. And last but not least, the food dye to make it that green color that we all know. Alright guys, so this is what we got. I have my already made pie crust here. I'm gonna pour this in here. I may have put a little bit too much. I hope not though. So now I put the lid on that it comes with, and it says to put it in the fridge. Let it sit up for 4 hours. So we'll come back in 4 hours, see if it's hard, give it a cut, put it in our mouths. All right, I got the pie in the fridge. You see, let it sit up for about 4 to 6 hours until it gets hard. So I'm gonna do one for 4. But if you could please take a second to like and subscribe. That's what keeps me going, keeps me cooking for you guys. So I'll be back in 4 hours. It's been 4 hours. Here we got it. Don't look like it's set up right to me. Look like I may have done something wrong. But I followed the recipe that it told me. So now that you know the recipe that I found multiple different ones. Comment down below if you did something different. Added something else that I didn't. Or didn't add what I did. Comment down below. Alright, I put my whipped topping on it. Now we're gonna cut us a piece. Got my plate. Let's see what it's about. Alright, got it all made. Here we go. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. It's not horrible. But I probably won't make it again. I just don't think Baja Blast goes in a pie, to get made with a pie. Once again, it's not, on a scale of 1 to 10, 5 or a 6. But comment down below if you've made one yet, or if had the original Taco Bell one, and what you thought on a scale of 1 to 10.